Subak is a community organization that specifically regulates the irrigation system used in rice farming in Bali. Subak system has become one of the hallmarks of Balinese society. This irrigation system develops under strong Hindu values and forms local wisdom which makes the farming community in Bali harmony with the nature to obtain optimal crop yields. This subak is called Subak Piak. It is a natural tourism area that offers the beauty of a vast expanse of green rice fields. Subak Piak is located in Penebel district, Tabanan Regency, Bali. It is approximately 40 kilometers and can be traveled for 1.5 hours from Denpasar. Beside the vast expanse of the rice field, you can enjoy the beauty of the sunrise in the morning or take a leisurely walk along the road that divides the rice field. Aside from being a water distribution, subak also serves as a symbol of unity within the community. The subak system reflects the deep-rooted cultural values of Balinese society, as where corporations and communal spirits are highly valued. Subak Piak has 136.40 hectares wide, where the water source came from Yeh Mada River, Yeh Dino River, and Yeh Telangis River. In general, subak in Bali basically has a 4-element. It consists of the rice paddies, water source, subak community, and Pura Subak or water temple. Subak is one of the manifestations of Trihitakarana, which is the Balinese Hindu philosophy which maintains the balance between human, nature, and God. In general, the uniqueness of Subak irrigation system can be seen from the religious rituals performed by the Subak members routinely, according to the stages of the rice growth from cultivating the land until the rice harvest is stored in the barn. It is factually known in Bali that the irrigation system was called Kasubakan or Subak in 1071 Anno Domini and supported by Kelungkung inscriptions in 1072 Anno Domini. The inscription mentions the name Subak, which is Subak Rawas. The word Su means good and Wa means watering, so Subak means the good watering system. But it is remained unclear on how and when Subak was first established in Bali. For land that has a relatively large slope, the rice fields are made to form a landscape that is fascinating to anyone who look at it. The local wisdom in building and managing irrigation system is passed down from generations to generations. Therefore, it eventually becomes the traditional institution of Subak as it is nowadays. Mostly, Subak has one or more shared water sources and more than one temple. This shared water source is obtained from one or more water sources such as bendungan, mata air or spring, and tirisan or drain from the subak above. The subak boundaries are natural until the flowing water can no longer irrigate a particular rice field because it has been blocked by the rivers, ravines, irrigation channels, village areas, and so on. Bali's landscape is a testament of the remarkable Subak system, a system that is democratic and egalitarian. Several of artists responded by creating the Bali Not For Sale movement as an invitation for farmers to maintain the beauty of the rice fields, including the Subak system. If you want to explore a beauty of the nature scenery and a green of rice field, Subak Piak will be a great choice for you.